Hi, I'm talking about the flower of lotus. In the East, the flower of lotus means the spiritual purity. The lotus, with the nickname scarlet lotus or rose of the Nilo, is a water plant that blooms in the water. In the symbolism Buddhist, the most important meaning of the flower of lotus is the purity of the body and of the soul. The muddy water that receives the plant is associated with the attachment and the carnal desires, and the immaculate flower that it blooms in the water in search of the light is the promise of the purity and spiritual elevation. Symbolically, is associated with Buddha's figure and with his education, and because of it, they are sacred flowers for the people of East. Count the legend that when the child Buddha gave the first steps, in all the places on that they threw, flower of lotus bloomed. Every flower has a color, and every color a different meanings. Blue lotus refers to the victory of the spirit on the sense, means wisdom and knowledge. This flower never reveals his interior. Signs almost always it is totally closed. White lotus is revealed to the perfection of the spirit and of the mind, a condition of total purity and of immaculate nature. In general, is represented with 8 petals. Red lotus. It reveals the innocent and the original nature of the earth. This flower represents the qualities of the earth as the love, the passion, and the pity. Also, it is known as Buddha's flower of the pity, Avalokiteshvara. Pink lotus. Though often if it gets confused with the flower of white lotus. The pink lotus is the most important and special of the flowers of lotus. To divine promise figure as the great Buddha. The flower of lotus, close of mind button, is a symbol to the infinite possibilities of the mind, whereas the flower of lotus open represents the creation of the universe. The original meaning of the lotus is extracted from the following similarity. As well as the flower of lotus makes way for itself from the bottom of the darkness of the reservoir resides to the surface of the water, and is open after having received over his level without supporting contact either with the land or with the water, in spite of having born of them, like that the spirit born of his word opens his petals, his qualities after having been liberated to the bodily curry of the position and of the ignorance, and of having transformed the dark force of the dames of the clear purity of the nectar of the flowers, the immaculate conscience, the incomparable him in the flower of lotus. Thanks.